So Maybe Reviewer is back, and it's the reviewing spree of products. And I like to review products जो मैंने खरीदे हो और कुछ हफ्ते महीने मैंने उन्हें यूज़ किया हो. एक ऐसा ही product because of my unruly curly wavy dry hair that I have, and Bombay weather का moisture makes my curls go like all over the place. So I'm constantly looking for products that speak really great and are wonderful for the hair. And the product that I heard a lot about, especially for styling, as by default my hair does get styled a lot more than if I was not an actor. एक product जो मैंने बहुत देखा and everybody worth their salt as an influencer was talking great things about was the Dyson Airwrap, right? तो ये मैंने अपने आप को gift किया on my birthday, which was in November. I'll be very honest, because they were running a discount offer, and because of the card that I used, they were giving me a 10% extra. So I actually got this for 8,000 cheaper. So technically on a 20% discount, and hence I thought it's a great deal. Now let's review this. So the look of it is really nice, sleek, fancy, colorful. This is actually the main क्या कहते हैं मेन प्रोडक्ट जिसमें आप बाकी सारे अटैचमेंट्स ऐड करोगे, एंड दैट्स हाउ. सो दिस इज़ योर बेसिकली ड्रायर. जस्ट प्लग इट इन लाइक दैट, एंड देन ये आपके स्पीड के नॉब्स हैं और ये आपके हीट के नॉब्स हैं, एंड दिस इज हाउ इट जस्ट वर्क्स. इट्स लाइक डैम इजी. सो डैम इजी टू वर्क इट. अगर आपको कोई वीडियो शूट करना हो तो वो उड़ते लहराते बाल जो है वो अक्सर ऐसे ही ब्लोअर्स से किए जाते हैं. So it's damn easy, and when you have to just take it off, you just press this and the product comes out like that. One attachment is this brush. Now this is great when you have to add bounce like this, or so मैं सच्ची सी बात बताऊँ तो मेरे कर्ली बालों पे ये इतना इफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट नहीं है. So I have not really used this much because if I only dry it wet balon mein, jabki this says that you have to 80% dry your hair first with the dryer and then only use any styling product. So I have not been really fond of this. Another thing is that when you're just going out and you just need a not a blow dry but a blast dry, I have used this. I'm using it on my already straightened hair, so aapko lagega, but I have used this. It does not give a very neat finish on my type of curly hair. It might do great for people who basically have straight hair, but jab wo गीले बालों में इसको run करते हैं तो it gives a nicer finish. But for somebody who has as curly hair as mine, this does not give good results at all. Now let's come to the most talked about product, which is the curling irons. Again, very easy to roll. Now इनका ना ये बड़ा सिस्टम है कि क्या होता है कि the way I'm looking, it's like a mirror. So you have to use two different for two sides, because if this says this way, if you can see it, so that means my curls are going to go this way, and when I'm doing this side, I need to bring in this curl to kind of do it. तो ये मुझे बड़े सारे YouTube tutorials देख के पता चला. It's easy, that's what they say. So let me just try the front and show it to you. You just hold it and you start it. So I've kind of tied my hair. Now let me get this out here. Or so this says it should go. Let me see. ये बड़ा समझना जो है ना, बड़ा टेक्निकली ये थोड़ा सा नहीं, जैसा उल्टा हो गया ना. So yeah, it wraps itself around, and then they say hold it for about 20 seconds, and then before you shut there is this cold button, right? So hold it up to give it a cold blast. So then वो गर्म होने के बाद it sets on the cold blast for about 10 seconds, and then you open it and you leave it. So this is what it will. Now I'll be very honest, my hair has been straightened. When I tried doing it on my curly hair, on my absolutely wet hair, कुछ नहीं होता है. I am not very happy with the results. Actually ऐसे होना चाहिए. If I leave it like this, ये देखो. Okay, now these are straightened hair because it was straightened for a shoot. So now if I'm trying to create curls on this, अब मैंने इसको cold blast किया and I leave it. So you see, मतलब ऐसा कुछ कमाल हो रहा है नहीं. Now they say when you want that beachy curl wave, you have to hold it like this. And then you have to hold it like, oh my god, बहुत मेहनत का काम है भाई. मतलब कुछ ऐसे करके, मतलब आड़ा टेढ़ा सर्कल समझ के. तो 100 बात की एक बात भैया, मैं एक बात बताऊं, अगर आपके बाल मेरी तरह कर्ली बाल हैं और अगर आप मतलब हेयर ड्राइंग में साइंस नहीं समझना चाहते तो ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत ही महंगा और बहुत ही बेकार प्रोडक्ट है. आफ्टर आई बॉट दिस माई हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट स्पेसिफिकली टोल्ड मी, अरे अगर तूने मुझे फ़ोन किया होता तो मैं तुझे बताती कि डोंट बाय द एयर रैप बट गो इन फॉर द स्ट्रेटनर. दे बोथ द सेम प्राइस. मतलब एक स्ट्रेटनर 35,000 40,000 का आता है एंड सो डज दिस होल डब्बा. इफ यू आर समबडी हु डजंट लाइक टू यूज टू मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स इनटू योर हेयर, सो राइट नाउ आई एम जस्ट वेयरिंग अ लीव-इन कंडीशनर एंड जस्ट हीट स्प्रे. तो ये मेरे बालों के लिए कुछ नहीं करता. एंड द बॉटम लाइन इज, इफ मेरे इतने हल्के बालों को सेक्शन करके करने में इट विल टेक सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम, आई माइट एज वेल गो टू द सैलून and spend that $1,000 for a curl or a dry that time. So ये मतलब easy to use है? No, I don't think so. If you have manageable great hair to begin with, maybe it's a great thing to use. If you have unruly curly hair like mine, no, I do not recommend Dyson Airwrap. It's not worth the money that you pay. It's been gifted to you by the company itself. To make an endorsement, it's another thing. Somebody is gifted to you, तो भी ठीक है. Hard-earned money for curly, unruly hair like mine, Dyson Airwrap is a no. किसी को खरीदना तो मुझसे खरीद लो. I don't want it.